And then, nagpaalam na nga ako because magpe-prepare na ako for my next hearing. Tapos, nakakita na naman ako ng another announcement. Patingin ulit. Babasahin ko sa inyo. Ito, I'll just show you na lang sa... mahirap makita kasi maliit, pero I will read it. I will read it to you. So, this is coming from the... from Sherwin Gatchalian, Senate President Pro Tempore. Ulitin ko, hindi ka Senate President Pro Tempore. Si Loren Legarda ang Senate President Pro Tempore. She was elected by 13 members. 13. You were never elected by 13. Alam mo yan. So, Senate President Pro Tempore si Loren, hindi ikaw, Sherwin. Anyway, so ito ngayon ang in-issue ni Sherwin, where he is imagining that he is the Senate President Pro Tempore. Sabi niya, shorten work hours for June 4 today. Since no official business has been scheduled today. Doon ako nalilito. Kasi sinabi kahapon, tuloy yung hearing ko. So ano ba talaga? Ano ba talaga kayo? Yung Blue Ribbon na wala kang karapatan na i-cancel, kinancel mo, pero hindi namin binibigyan ng validity yung statement mo. Yung ways and means ko, sabi nyo tuloy, pero ngayon naman sinabi mo, since there is no official business that has been scheduled today. Bakit? May alam ka ba kung may official business yung mga senators dito? Every day, we conduct our own meetings, we conduct our own dialogues, we conduct our own consultations. So, sino ka para sabihin mo na walang official business dito? Hindi ba official yon na pag isang senador, paano kung meron siyang foreign delegation, kung mayroon siyang mga advocacy group, official business yon. Alam mo, tinanong mo lang ang schedule ng lahat ng senador para malaman mo na walang official business na ganap. At alam mo, may Blue Ribbon. Pero alam na natin na hindi mo nire-recognize yun. Sige. So, sabi niya, since no official business has been scheduled today, June 4, and in consideration of the safety, security, and well-being of Senate personnel, in light of anticipated activities within and around the Senate President Pro Tempore Sherwin Gatchalian has authorized all Senate officers and employees who reported on site to leave the office beginning at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Yung Blue Ribbon hearing, 10 a.m. Ano yung purpose nito? Alam niyo na, di ba? Hindi ko na siguro kailangan sabihin, right? Why would you put the Senate staff in that position? Nandyan sila, pumasok. Nag-a-assist. Ba't mo sila gaganunin? Tapos sabi mo, trabaho lang tayo? Talaga? From Sherwin Gatchalian, Senate President Pro Tempore. Ulitin ko, hindi ka Senate President Pro Tempore. Si Loren Legarda ang Senate President Pro Tempore.